Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Manzil. So in today's video we will discuss some idioms and phrases. Let's begin. First one is better to wear out than to rust out, meaning it is better to remain active than to be ideal, used mainly for old people. Example, seeing your age I wouldn't recommend you to work so hard. It's better to wear out than to rust out. Next idiom, hopping mad, meaning extremely angry. I thought my mom would fall asleep, but she was hopping mad when I came in late last night. Next proverb is cleanliness is next to godliness, meaning cleanliness is a sign of goodness, a great virtue. Example, keep yourself clean. After all, cleanliness is next to godliness. Next proverb is clothes do not make the man, meaning is a person's character can't be judged by his/her clothing and outward appearance. Example, I can't believe he has been charged for insider trading. He always seems so professional and impeccable. Well, clothes don't make the man. Proverb, cowards die many times before their deaths, meaning is cowards suffer the feared effects of death many times over in their lives. Example, he is constantly worried about the security of his job and I don't think he will pursue his true interest. He exemplifies the saying, cowards die many times before their deaths. Next is nest egg, meaning is retirement savings. Example, I don't have much of a nest egg, so I will probably have to keep working after retirement age. Next is cross the stream where it is shallowest, to do things in the easiest possible way. Example, let's just cross the stream where it is shallowest and find a spot that you can pull right into. Don't worry about parallel parking. Next one is curiosity killed the cat, meaning is inquiring into others' work can be dangerous. One should mind own business. Example, I know curiosity killed the cat, but I can't stop the investigation until I know where the donations are really doing. Watch one's step, meaning be careful about how you behave or conduct yourself lest you get into trouble. Watch your steps at least in the first few months at your new job. Next is curses like chickens come home to roost. The consequences of doing wrong always catch up with the wrongdoer. Example, politicians can fool some people some of the time, but in the end chickens come home to roost. Next is crash course, meaning is quick intensive instruction in something. Example, you have never used our database software, but don't worry, if we hire you we can give you a crash course in how to use it. So that's all for today. All the proverbs and idioms are very important from exam point of view, and you can use these idioms in your daily life as well. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.